Before you upgrade your car's audio, there's one thing nobody tells you on product pages. Most factory systems look good on paper, but fall apart when you push the volume. The real difference isn't in the specs, it's in how well they handle real-world bass, wiring quirks, and your phone. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best factory-friendly audio upgrades that actually deliver. Product number 1, Boss Audio Systems 616 UAB Bluetooth Stereo. This Boss Audio Systems 616 UAB is a budget-friendly single-DIN head unit that caught my eye because it skips the CD player entirely, something most modern cars don't need anymore. At just $34.99, it's one of the cheapest ways to add Bluetooth, USB, and aux to an older vehicle. If you want basic wireless music and hands-free calling without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The built-in Bluetooth lets you stream Spotify or take calls safely while driving, and the USB port means you can plug in a flash drive with hundreds of songs, no more fumbling with CDs. The front and rear preamp outputs also give you room to add an amplifier later if you want more power. It's compatible with most smartphones and even includes push-to-talk support for voice assistants. With over 1,000 units sold recently, it's clearly filling a need for simple, no-frills upgrades. Now, some people complained about the plastic build feeling flimsy and the display being hard to read in direct sunlight. Here's the thing though, for under $35, you're not getting premium materials, but the core functionality works reliably. It's not meant for audiophiles, but for daily drivers who just want modern connectivity. This is perfect for you if you drive an older car with a basic radio and want Bluetooth and USB without spending over $50. Skip this one if you need Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, or plan to build a high-power audio system. For the price, it's solid value. Just don't expect luxury. Product number 2, Boss Audio Systems CH6530 6.5-inch door speakers. The Boss Audio Systems CH6530, a pair of 6.5-inch coaxial speakers designed to drop right into most factory door locations. Priced at $28.99, these are aggressively affordable replacements that promise 300 watts of peak power and full-range sound. If you're tired of muddy vocals and weak bass from your stock speakers, these offer a noticeable upgrade without rewiring your whole car. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 4-ohm impedance matches most factory systems, so they'll work right out of the box. The frequency response from 100 Hz to 18 kHz means you'll get clear highs from the piezo tweeter and decent mid-range from the polyamide dome. Great for pop, rock, and podcasts. With 90 decibel sensitivity, they get loud quickly, which is perfect if your car doesn't have an amp. Over 1,000 pairs sold show they're a popular entry-level fix. Now, some people complained about distortion at higher volumes and the lack of deep bass. These won't shake your mirrors like a subwoofer. Here's the thing though, they're meant as direct replacements, not performance monsters. If you keep volume under 75%, they sound clean and punchy for the price. This is perfect for you if you want louder, clearer sound without modifying your car's wiring or spending over $30. Skip this one if you're building a competition-level system or need serious low-end. For budget-conscious drivers, it's a smart first step. Product number 3, Audio Control LC2i Pro Line Output Converter. We're stepping up with the Audio Control LC2i Pro, a premium line output converter that lets you add amps and subwoofers to your factory stereo without losing sound quality. At $159, it's not cheap, but it's built for serious upgrades. If you love your OEM head unit but want deeper bass, this is the missing link most people overlook. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It converts high-power speaker signals up to 400 watts per channel into clean RCA outputs your amp can use. No need to replace your factory radio. The Ocubass Tech fixes bass loss when you turn up the volume, which is a common issue in factory systems. Plus, the included DOS-mounted remote knob lets you adjust sublevels on the fly. With selectable load settings, it even tricks modern cars into thinking speakers are still connected, so error codes don't pop up. Now, some people complained about the complex setup and needing extra wiring knowledge. Here's the thing though, this isn't a plug-and-play toy, it's for enthusiasts who want seamless integration. If you're willing to read the manual or get professional help, it's worth every penny. This is perfect for you if you want to keep your factory stereo but add serious bass and power. Skip this one if you're doing a full aftermarket head unit swap. For OEM lovers, it's unmatched value. Product number 4, Boss BVCP9700A with CarPlay and Android Auto. The Boss Audio Systems BVCP9700A is a double-DIN touchscreen stereo that brings modern smartphone integration to almost any car. At $164.99, it includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, features usually found in units twice the price. If you rely on Google Maps, Spotify, or hands-free messaging, this makes driving safer and more connected. Here's why this matters for you specifically. CarPlay and Android Auto mirror your phone's interface safely on the 7-inch screen, so you're not touching your device while driving. Voice control through Siri or Google Assistant handles calls, texts, and navigation. The USB and rear camera inputs add practicality, and preamp outputs let you expand later. With 500 plus sold recently, it's a favorite among commuters and road trippers. Now, some people complained about occasional lag when switching apps and the need for a separate module for steering wheel controls. Here's the thing though, the core CarPlay and Android Auto experience is smooth, and the lag is minor compared to the benefit of distraction-free driving. This is perfect for you if you want smartphone integration without spending $300 plus. Skip this one if your car requires complex CAN bus integration and you're not ready for professional install. For daily drivers, it's excellent value.
Product number 5, Scosche LOC2SL Line Output Converter. The Scosche LOC2SL is a no-frills line output converter that does one job well, turning speaker-level signals into clean RCA outputs for your amp. At just $19.97, it's the most affordable way to add a subwoofer to a factory system. If you want bass without replacing your head unit, this tiny box is a game changer. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It plugs directly into your factory speaker wires and delivers noise-free signal to your amplifier. The included remote knob lets you control sub-volume from the driver's seat, and the compact design fits behind most dash panels. Scosche's lifetime support and reputation for reliability mean you're not buying a disposable gadget. Now, some people complained about slight signal loss at max pain and the lack of advanced features like AccuBase. Here's the thing though, for under $20, you're getting a clean, reliable signal converter. It won't fix weak factory amps, but it won't add noise either. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget and just want to add a subwoofer. Skip this one if you need advanced bass restoration or high power handling. For simple upgrades, it's unbeatable value.
So which one's right for you? If you need basic Bluetooth, go with the Boss 616 UAB. Want better sound without rewiring? The CH6530 speakers are a steal. Keeping your factory radio but adding bass? The Audio Control LC2i Pro is the pro choice, or the Scosche LOC2SL if you're on a budget. And if you want CarPlay and Android Auto, the BVCP 9700A delivers premium features affordably. Each solves a real problem. Just pick the one that matches your car and your ears.